Welcome to the eBakery YouTube channel, the agency for online merchants. If you followed our previous Amazon videos, you now have a structured description in your listings, making your products to visually shine and fit into the right place thanks to the byte number of your backend keywords in the search results. However, you maybe have multiple products and want a more efficient SEO process. We have a third tool for this purpose that helps you to remove double keywords. You can use keyword research tools like Helim 10, for which we also have a video on our channel, or use the Sonar Tool as a free alternative to download the list of relevant keywords and then copy-paste them to our Amazon tool. You can find a link to the tool in the description below. Then click to remove double keywords, and all keywords that have been added twice will be instantly deleted. Same thing applies to your title, description and bullet points. If you already use keywords there, you don't need to add them to your backend keywords. In such a case, the keyword will appear in red, so you get notified of its removal. The video on the top right shows you how to optimize your backend keywords. Otherwise, we wish you a lot of fun with our Amazon tool and suggest to subscribe to our channel, as there will be more interesting videos about Amazon in the near future. With that in mind, we wish you a lot of successful sales. Your eBakery team.